My name is Brian McCarthy. I'm the research officer in charge of the Grazing Experiment here in Clonakilty Agricultural College, and this is Anya Murray, who's the PhD student who's working on the experiment. The current experiment has 4 grazing treatments: a grass-only sward getting 250 kilograms of nitrogen, a grass-only sward getting 150 kilograms of nitrogen, a grass clover sward getting 250 kilograms of nitrogen, and a grass clover sward getting 150 kilograms of nitrogen. In terms of the current farm performance, the average farm cover is just over 800 kilograms dry matter per hectare and 275 kilograms dry matter per cow on the grass only 250 treatment and the grass clover 150 and 250 treatments. However, on the grass only 150 treatment, farm cover is just over 700 and cover per cow is at about 240 kilograms dry matter per cow. In terms of the overall dry matter production year to date, we've grown 10.9, 9.9, 11.6 and 10.3 tonnes of dry matter per hectare on the grass only 250, grass only 150, grass clover 250 and grass clover 150 treatments. I'll hand you over to Anya now to give you a bit of an update on the animal performance.
Thanks for that, Brian. The cows are currently grazing 1800 kilograms of dry matter per hectare pre-grazing cover and are being supplemented with 1 kg of concentrate per day. The farm currently has 23% grass clover percentage in the grass clover 150 treatment, and the grass clover 250 treatment currently has 22% average clover percentage. In terms of current milk performance, the grass only 250 treatment is milking 17.8 kgs per day at 4.72% butterfat and 3.86% protein, giving 1.52 kgs of milk solids per cow. The grass only 150 treatment are milking 17.1 kgs per day at 4.73% butterfat and 3.89% protein, giving 1.47 kgs of milk solids per cow. The grass clover 250 treatment are milking 19.3 kilograms per day at 4.59% butterfat and 3.83% protein, giving 1.62 kgs of milk solids per cow per day. The grass clover 150 treatment then are milking 18 kilograms per day at 5.17% butterfat and 3.97% protein, giving 1.64% kilograms of milk solids per cow per day. So that's all from us here down in Clonakilty on the current update of the clover trials down here. Thanks very much for watching.